Good evening and welcome to India Today SoSouth. I'm Sarah Fazal. The Supreme Court on Monday overturned the remission granted to 11 convicts in the Bilkis Bano gang rape case. A two-judge bench headed by Justice BV Nagarathna ordered all the 11 convicts back to prison. All of them were sentenced to life imprisonment in January 2008. But the Gujarat government granted them remission on August 15, 2022, raising hackles all around over the benevolence of the BJP government in a heinous crime. The Supreme Court said the Gujarat government was not competent to decide on the remission petition of the convicts. It pinned the government down on Section 432 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. This section mandates that governments, while considering remission petitions, must seek the opinion of the convicting judge. The government of Gujarat did not do this. The court came down hard on the Gujarat government for deciding on a matter over which it had no jurisdiction. Justice Nagarathna said the rule of law is breached because the Gujarat government usurped power not vested in it and abused its power. On that ground also, the remission orders deserve to be quashed. Here, Justice Nagarathna was referring to the fact that the trial of the accused was conducted in Maharashtra, the sentencing was done in Maharashtra, so the Gujarat government had no right to sit in judgment over remission. The fact that the crime occurred in Gujarat was not material to the case. The court delivered another hard knock on the knuckles of the Gujarat government. In its argument before the court, the Gujarat government sought to portray its remission orders as a natural consequence of an earlier Supreme Court order. The Supreme Court had asked the Gujarat government to decide whether the remission petition should be decided as per the jail manual of 1992 or the modified one of 2014. That Supreme Court was not on the substance of the remission petition, it was on a technicality. As things stand today, the Supreme Court judgment is a major victory for Bilkis Bano. But this might not be a lasting victory. That's because the Supreme Court has again dealt only with technicality, not the substance of Bilkis Bano's petition. Bilkis had challenged the eligibility of the convicts for remission, but the Supreme Court left that question open. It did not rule on the eligibility or otherwise of the convicts for remission. It said that the remission was illegal because the Gujarat government had no jurisdiction in the matter. Today's order sends the convicts back to jail in Gujarat and the case back to Maharashtra. It does not bar either of the two things that might follow. One, it does not bar the convicts from moving a fresh petition for remission to the Maharashtra government. Two, it does not bar the Maharashtra government from granting the remission. The central question in this case is not if the Gujarat government should decide the remission petition or the Maharashtra government. The central question is if 11 convicts of the most gut-churning crimes against women should be kept in jail for life or allowed to roam free. The Gujarat government outraged the sensibilities of the nation in granting the remission just because of the political persuasion of the convicts. When the time comes, would the Maharashtra government behave differently? What are the chances of that, considering that its ideological heart beats no differently than Gujarat? The Maharashtra government will have the chance to redeem not just itself but also the BJP if it does right by Bilkis Bano. Question is, will it? Keep watching India Today SoSouth for more such news updates.